Hello children, welcome to the next part of the lesson. In the previous class, we have studied what is democratic government and what are elections. Now, let us see why do we need elections. We need elections. Our elections help us to elect the representatives. So, the real power in a democratic government lies with us. Who is powerful? CM is powerful, or people with vote? Man with vote is powerful. We people are powerful because if we do not like this government, next time we don't want to the government. We change the government. We do not vote to that party. So, the real power in a democratic government lies with the people because we decide who will govern us. So who will decide? The one who governs? People will decide. We are the people. We decide who will govern us. So now again you go and visit 2.5 what you have learned. Now here, can you state the meaning of democracy? Yes. Democracy is the form of government in which people elect their representatives. What are elections? The process in which people choose their representatives through voting. Why elections are important? Elections help us to elect our representatives. They help us to what? To dash our dash. Okay, ma? Now, let us see the next part. Let us see here. Recall method 2, that is election. Discuss the steps that were involved in choosing Sanya or Manav. What did the teacher first do? She called the children, those who are interested, to compete for class leaders. So the teacher announced. The children, they took the lead. The teacher asked the children to elect. The teacher counted and decided. So what are the steps? First one is announce. Next one is they took the lead. Who took the lead? Two children took the lead. Next one is the remaining children elected. And the last one is counted. As we have these many steps in class election, imagine how many stages will be there in the real election. Shall we see the steps involved in election process? Yes. See, in the classrooms, what happened? First the teacher announced, then next the students volunteered, then we voted, and finally we counted and announced the result. Is it not? So, when we choose our representatives, there are some more steps involved. Okay? Let us see first who conducts the elections. There is a body called as Election Commission of India. ECI, Election Commission of India. It conducts elections both for center level and for state level. It conducts election for which levels? Center level, state level, and what is the third level? Local level. So Election Commission conducts the elections and it issues a voter ID card for all the citizens above 18 years. Once if you cross 18 years, you have to apply. then election commission will give voter ID. The people only with voter ID can vote in elections. Okay, children? Once again, what is the first point? Election Commission of India conducts election. What did it give? What does it give? It gives voter ID to whom? Those who ever cross or those who all are above 18 years. The people only with voter ID can vote. Okay. And then next, the candidate with majority of votes is elected as the representative. Whether it is to central level or state level or local level, whoever gets the majority of votes will be elected as the representative. Once again, who conducts? Election Commission of India. What it does? It gives voter ID to all citizens who are above 18 years. Then what happens? The citizens with voter ID will elect. And the candidate who gets the majority will be elected as the representative. Okay, children? See, fill in your details and paste your photograph in the below to see what your voter identity card will look like when you are 18. Okay? Paste your photograph here. Write your name, father's name, sex, whether you are male or female, your date of birth, your address, and this is the officer's signature. Can different people share the same voter ID? Can you? No. Because every voter card will have a number. Your name will be there, your father's name will be there, your date of birth will be there. So, one people will have only one voter ID, they cannot share. Okay? Why they can't share? Because India is a democratic country, and in India, one person will have only one vote. One person will have only one vote. Okay, children? Is it clear? Can you answer? Yes. With this, I end today's session, and let us meet in the next session.